Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have my FabFitFun Winter box. Always excited to get this box. This is now, I think they had a price increase last year, I think again, $59.99 a season or a quarter. I have an annual membership, so I pay, I think $219 or $220 for all 4 boxes for that current year. I find that that is, for me personally, and for a lot of people, I've noticed a better option because we can customize our entire box. And when I had this at the, like doing it box for box, paying it that way, that you only got to customize a portion, and I was always disappointed. So I figured now I'm in control and it's worth it to me. This is the only box that I prepay. I will never do it anywhere else. Spring, summer, fall, and winter are your boxes. Value of over $200 each box. Like I said, boxes are customizable, whether it's a portion or the entire box. Generally, these are all full-size products, no samples, unless they throw in like a promo or something like that. They also offer edit sales prior to the box being customized, after, you know, so there's plenty of options where you can save, I think, up to at least 70% off some items, and sometimes you can find some really good deals. Some things are in my opinion expensive, but for the most part I can always find a few things. And will give you a little hint: if you order at least one add-on, your box ships faster. So if you're always wondering why your box is delayed, that's at least what I have found, that if you order at least one add-on, and it doesn't have to be an expensive add-on, that your box almost ships sooner than boxes that don't do that. So this is what the box looks like right here when you open it. Winter 2023, cozy time. Okay, so I want to pull some packing out, and we have a whole bunch of papers. Hello Fresh coupon, a Netflix thingamajig there. So we'll put all this back here. I generally don't like do anything with that. So let's just start. I'm trying to think. You used to get like a pamphlet. You know, I don't see it in this box, but maybe I'm missing it. Am I? Oh, wait, let's see. Oh, we have this again, where you scratch off and see if you have won anything. So far I have not, but you never know, I do it. So like I said, this is customized 100% by me. And I don't know if I'm going to remember what my add-ons are. I think I might. But I did choose these. And these are from Caraway. And these are pot holders. I can never have enough pot holders. And these are round ones, which in my opinion are better for like pots. And even like, you know, pans that you cook in, because they're round. And you have a square pot holder. Most pot holders are square. I wanted a round one. And what I liked is you can, like if I need to, it's both sides here. I can get my hand in to grab out of the oven, which, you know, I always get burned going into the oven. You know, you can hang them, which I generally don't. And these are nice quality, nice and thick quilting. So I'm happy to add these to my kitchen. I never care on color. I mean, I have red, I have pattern ones, holiday ones, you name it. It's a pot holder. Like, I'm not that particular. The next thing, and I do think these are all options, if I'm not mistaken, from INH, which is insert name here. These are the creaseless hair clips. I've been like using like a bobby pin to get hair off, or a clip, and I figured let me try these, and they leave marks. And I don't have these. And I've seen lots of good things about them, so I figured let me try them. Perfect time is to get them in a box, in my opinion. That's an add-on. This is an add-on. I'm going to try to do add-ons at the end. Something else that I chose, which is going to be totally out of character for me, but I wanted this for someone, from Bauble Bar. And this is a cute little, like you can make bracelets. You know, you get everything you need. There's the, I guess the material, like maybe the elasticized material or whatever it is, and all kinds of beads and stuff. So I figured, you know, this would be a cute little thing to give to somebody younger. So I was happy to pick that. I figured, why not? Oh, another item that I chose and I'm not going to take these out of the packaging, is an apron, a kitchen apron. I have 2 of them. I do use them, especially when I'm doing anything with like a sauce, spaghetti sauce, things like that, because it's going to, you know, as you're cooking it, you're stirring it, it's bubbling up, it's going to hit you. You know, so aprons are, you know, I got 2 aprons, I think, from Amazon. They were very cheap, but I got black because this way it hides the stain. So I figured I chose another apron. Why not? I do use them, so I like to choose things from boxes that I will use. Another product that I chose is from 111 Skin. This is a brightening essence right here. I love 111 Skin. Very expensive brand to buy. Let me see if I can open this, and I can at least show you the packaging. Okay. So I'm excited to try this. Oh, nice. Always nice, sleek packaging. Let me see, since it's an essence, what the top looks like. And that's generally what the tops look like, and you just pop that off. And then you can shake it, you know, shake it out on around or in your hand and then put it on your face. So I'm happy to try that for sure. And I did choose this, and this is a palette. And this is Beauty Bakery, the Chosen Bun. I figured even if I didn't use this, I could add it to a giveaway. Beauty Bakery has some pretty nice palettes, in my opinion. So let me show you what this looks like. No mirror, but this is a nice neutral palette. Pretty much like the size of like ColourPop palettes, things like that. Nice neutral palette. You know, some mattes and some shimmers. Right there. No mirror. So let's get that back in the box. Let's go this way. Don't want anything breaking. Oh, I obviously chose this too. This is from the brand Black, B-L-A-Q, and this is a battery-powered toothbrush. I do have one. Probably needs to be replaced, so I figured perfect time to replace it. Once again, it's in a box. I'm not having to, you know, go out and purchase it. And I figured, you know, why not? There is a little book in here. So this comes, you know, obviously with, oops, this is, oh, the brush head. There's 2 of them. Comes with batteries, and then this. So that's not bad. I like, you get 2 heads. And this is a popular brand, so you could get heads. You could probably get heads on Amazon. Nice little base. I love that it comes with the batteries, so I don't have, not that that would be a problem. I do have batteries, but it's always nice when they're included. And it does have your little warranty. We'll get that back in there. So that is a welcome bonus. I don't have to purchase one. And then the last thing that I chose, oops, is, let's get this on the floor, right here. And this is a handbag. And this, I believe, is Rebecca Minkoff. I don't have anything from her. It was kind of cute. You know, the choices were, like, okay for FabFitFun. So let's get that out of the plastic. Well wrapped here. And I figured pretty neutral bag. Kind of cute. Let me just take it all out of the tissue here. I'll show it to you. So this is the bag. So it is a crossbody bag. And this is the front. It's not real big, as you can see, but a perfect little bit of chain, which I don't mind. And then a leather strap. This is leather. Here is the back. It has the Rebecca Minkoff thing on it. Here's your here's your pull. Oops, that came off. Well, I can take that plastic off. Don't need that. So this is more, yeah, just a leather pull. Let me see. Here. I don't want to take all the stuffing out, but you can see the size of the bag. And this did come off. This will straighten out. What I do, if you get a handbag that, like, it's not really creased, it's just been sitting like that, I put, like, my wallet, something heavy, in the bag, and then I hang it from, like, my dresser. I have round knobs, so sometimes I pad the top and just hang it for, like, a day or two with, like, my wallet in it or something with some weight, and it'll pull all that right out. But I thought, what a cute little black crossbody. I love the detail, like the studs. Very happy with that. And that is leather. Her stuff is leather. Good choices. We'll get rid of that little thing. I think I did 3 add-ons. One is like a direct ship from the manufacturer, and it was just a small like tabletop tripod. I will show it to you when I get it, but I need that when I'm filming stuff on my laptop. The one I have is too tiny and sometimes a little wonky, so I figured let me get a new one. Perfect opportunity. I don't remember the cost of that. It was very inexpensive. So when I'm filming like the Unbox It Play This winner and the cash or the gift card winner, I have something a little bit more stable on my table. A second item that I purchased for add-ons is from Olaplex, and I've been wanting to try this, the shampoo. Could not get the conditioner, but I will make a purchase of the conditioner. But the shampoo for me is more important to try. Deep Clean softens, restores shine and clarity for all hair types. The purple shampoo I took to my hairdresser one time and asked her to use it because I was a little unsure since I have blonde in my hair. Would it tinge it purple and all that stuff? And it didn't. And I liked it, but I don't want to use the purple shampoo all the time. So I figured I've heard great things about Olaplex, so I did buy that. And the next thing that I purchased is from Fenty. And this is 2 items. So this is the outer case. Oops. Let's get you out. Right here. So as you can see, this was in there. I don't know how this works. Is this broke? I don't know how this works. I don't know if I have to have. So this here is the outer case, and this is a lipstick refill. So you refill it, and my lipstick is Rose Queen, I think it says on here. Let me try to open this. So here is the refill. I'm not sure how this works. I'll have to look into it to see how it works, but that's what the lipstick looks like. And I'm just going to put the top back on until I can play with that. I'm sure that somehow, as you can see, like the bottom in there matches this. I'm not sure how that goes in. Okay, so that just pushes in. And I will, should I play with it? Let me take this off. Let me see. I would assume that goes in like that. Oh, okay. So now that's in there better. And then when you turn the bottom, it pops up. Right? How do you get it out? Ugh. I don't know how to get it out of there. All right, I'm confused. Oh, there we go. You just have to pull it a little harder. And why did that do that? Kind of smashed the lipstick a little bit. I'm not sure about this. So I'm just going to put that cap back on for right now until I can figure out what's going on here. We'll just slip you back here. But I wanted to try her refillable, because then if it's something I like, I can just buy these rather than buy the whole tube and stuff like that again. So that's everything for my winter 2023 FabFitFun. Do you get FabFitFun? Did you choose any of the items that I did? What did you pick? I would love to hear. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.